Hey everyone, thanks for joining us on this quick tour of 814print.com by WIC Copy Center. What you're looking at right now is a typical home screen. Some of the info on there might change from time to time. Important thing, call us. You can call us at 814-942-8040. We're not that big. Give us a ring if you have any questions. A couple things before we get started on the tour. You're seeing here this right in the front, 814print.com's plan room. The plan room is a really cool feature we just developed. We're going to do a separate tour of that. So if you're interested in plan room, just look for a second video on that. First thing about using our site, it requires registration. Registration is free, so you need to create an account. To do that, you just click through here and you choose your username, your email address. The accounts are validated by sending you an email to your address to make sure that you're a real person. If you find that it hasn't arrived, take a look at your spam filter or folder and see if it didn't get misplaced. The other key thing about this site, we lay out most of the products here on the home screen. And when you choose our products, you're choosing the type, you're also choosing the size, and you're choosing the paper. So already, it's a faster decision to figure out, once you know what you want. You probably already do. Also, there's another menu here on the left that lists everything by type also. If I click that, say I clicked engineering prints, all the engineering prints would come up. So if there was something a little more obscure that you're looking for, and you don't see it on the home page, you can take a look over here on the left. And again, there's some info on plan room. We'll do a separate tour of that. Let's get logged in. Type in here. One of the cool things about having user accounts is we can then track certain things, like if you have reorders, clicking my account brings up the orders that I've placed, anything I want to reorder, contacts and plans, that's for plan room. Again, some really cool features. We'll do a separate demo for that. Let's go back to the home page. Today I'm looking for printing I need prints of a 41-page document. It's a PDF. I'm looking for 8.5 by 11. That's the standard size, 20-pound white, standard paper. We'll start there. I'll click that icon. Here's what we're starting with. This is the type of job I'm interested in printing. First thing I do is select my file and choose upload. We're using PDFs as the primary file type here. We are requiring that simply because it's very reliable, and what you have on your end and what you see is what we're going to get and what we'll print. So it's a very high reliability factor. This has a really cool feature we built in with thumbnails. Of the 41 pages, we can view them, and if there are pages we don't want to print, we can simply deselect them here. And if you see, as I deselected them, my page count went down from 1 to 38. This can come in handy if you have a large PDF, you don't have an PDF editing software. You can leave out things you don't want. But we'll print all of it. We'll go down to sets. Let's say we want 10 sets of this. You can choose your printing type, single or double. Let's save some weight on shipping. Choose double. Next up are finishing options for double-sided prints. We can choose several or many different finishing options. None, that's just leaving it as it is. We can punch it with 3-hole. We can go with comb, that's that standard plastic comb. Coil, that's a spun-on coil, it's plastic. Velo, Wiro. We can have a simple staple, or we can go with multiple staples. That would be staples along the edge that would be visible from the top. Booklet is whenever it's folded in half and stapled in the middle, and the staples are on the inside. We'll choose comb. Comb gives us, comb binding lets us choose from cover options, clear acetate, white vellum. White vellum will let us print on the cover itself. We have a couple options there. We can also upload a cover if we want something different than what we uploaded. We'll say no. Back cover will say black vellum. If we wanted to add tabs, we could add tabs here. We would put in what page, after what page the tab should appear, and then if there's any text we wanted printed on the tab, you would just type it in here, like section 1. And we'll do that after page 10, and so forth. We won't add any tabs. Special packaging. Special packaging includes slip sheets, which is great if you're not choosing any binding. You can ask for simply a colored sheet put between each collated set, which makes it easier to pull out and find. You could also shrink wrap each piece, which is just another way. It's just a more secure packaging format. We'll say none and begin. Okay, we already had something in our cart from before. We'll take that out. If there's something you don't like, you just hit remove and it goes. What you're looking at right now is the PDF I uploaded and the type of job we ordered from the beginning. It's our first mouse click. There's the file name, what we uploaded, sample document, selected pages 1 through 41, and the number of pages was 41, so that's all of them. We want 10 sets, double-sided, comb bound, front covers white vellum, no printing on it, back cover is black vellum. So from there it looks good. I don't have a coupon code, so we'll skip that, and we'll hit checkout. There again you see our job ticket, what we ordered, listed here. Customer info, that's our demo account that we use to log on. Notifications will be going to that email address, so make sure that's correct. Delivery info. If you're one of our local customers here in Altoona, you can simply pick up at store, click that, and you're done. If you're one of our national customers, you can say you're going to have it shipped to you. So let's just say first name's demo, customer, and we'll just ship it to 814 print. How's that? Billing info. This is to match your credit card, what you're going to be using to pay. We'll add that in there. Coupon again, if you had another discount, you could add that in there. Shipping cost, since we chose to ship it, we can now pick which shipping method we prefer. And we'll say media mail. Media mail has some terms of use. You can't use it for advertising, and it can't be of a promotional nature. So it's more for books, and customized books is a good example of what it's good for. If you happen to choose media mail and you use something that doesn't pass their terms, the post office's terms, they do have the right to charge you the difference between media and first class. So let's say we read the media mail terms of use. Payment method, here's our subtotal. Shipping's in there. Taxes, if you're in Pennsylvania, it's a 6% sales tax. That's added in there. Payment method, we use credit cards processed by PayPal. This is not a PayPal account. This is their credit card processing service that appears like any other credit card checkout you may have used. Your credit card is charged, it says by 814print.com. If you have any comments that you need us to get about this order, you can type them in here, like, please contact, if you have any questions. Project name, I can add a project name for my own reference here. Say it's a sample project. Terms of use, this just states what we're doing for you and that the material you are uploading is something you have the right to print, and you transfer that to us. There you go. Review order. We're reviewing the order. Everything looks like what we wanted. We got the customer info, delivery, billing, shipping costs, project name. Looks good. We hit submit from here. And we'll be using a credit card, so from here you would place your credit card number. It would check out from there. That's it. If you have any questions, give us a call or shoot us an email. Thanks.